حي على الفلاح.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We hear that millions of times and we say it too. In the name of Allah, the most forgiving, the most merciful. Or the most merciful, the most merciful. Subhanallah. That is the meaning of Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. He calls himself primarily, right at the beginning, the most merciful. This would mean if sometimes you falter by not doing what you are supposed to be doing, do not lose hope, but get back on track as soon as possible. And if sometimes you did something that you are not supposed to be doing, do not lose hope, but get back on track as soon as possible, because your Lord is merciful. Amazing.